welcome back to the iVue Robotics channel, and as you may be able to tell, it's almost New Year. To be exact, it's almost 11:55, and you probably hear all the fireworks and all the celebrations. Well, we're here in the great state of Georgia, but unfortunately the state of Georgia has let us down by no longer doing the peach drop. So we got to carry the torch in the state of Georgia's place. Unfortunately, the hardest part about this whole project was finding the peach, so we're going to be using a peach cup instead. But as soon as this clock hits midnight, Develop Bear is going to release its claw, or release the peaches from its claw, and peaches away. Happy New Year, right? So we'll cut to that, and we'll see you in a bit.